State Police just released the results of their investigation just moments ago.
Well, Tom, did you hear about the snow that could be headed our way?
You know, I was outside on the road today, and I'm glad I was, because I don't want to hear about it. Maybe I should block my ears, Mark. What do you think?
Well, I think we are going to see some snow coming up over the next few days. The good news, though, is it's not going to be very much snow. Maybe a couple of flurries, a dusting or so here and there. I think that'll be about it. Most areas won't even see an inch of snow over the next couple of days, so we don't have to worry about any big snowstorms. Just a little bit of light snow, a couple of flurries around here and there. But here in the backyard right now, what we have is sunshine out here. It's not going to last too much longer, but it is sunny outside right now. Take a look at the current conditions in the backyard. The temperature outside right now is slowly starting to warm up. It's only up to about 32 degrees out here, so it is a little on the cool side. The wind chill 32, really not too much of a breeze outside right now. The wind is calm, the barometer is falling, and the sun will set this evening at 4:35 p.m. Now take a look at our Weather Watch 16 live Doppler radar. Around the area right now, everything is nice and clear. Really no rain or snow falling. That's going to stay that way throughout the rest of the daylight hours today. Now, once it turns dark, there could be some showers or even some sprinkles moving through the area. So you're going to see those move from west to east across the area throughout the evening hours and overnight tonight. But during the daylight hours, it is going to stay dry outside. The clouds will be thickening up a little bit, but no rain during the day today. Now, the forecast for today, the satellite picture shows that we do have some clouds now starting to move into Pennsylvania. So there's some scattered clouds around the area. Still some sunshine filtering through those clouds. So we are going to see some sunshine throughout the afternoon, but there's a big band of clouds out here to the west. This is going to be moving in overnight tonight, giving us the rain tonight, a couple of sprinkles tomorrow, and maybe even a few snow flurries by tomorrow afternoon and Friday and Saturday as well. So the forecast for today looks like this. Starting out with some sunshine. The clouds are right now starting to thicken up a little bit, dimming the sunshine somewhat, and I think we will see that rain move into Pennsylvania this evening and spread across our area overnight tonight. So if you're headed out this evening, take an umbrella with you today. Then there's this cold front out here to the west. That's going to be moving on through tomorrow, really cooling things down. So some much cooler air on the way for tomorrow afternoon, and especially for Friday and Saturday and even into Sunday. The forecast for today looks like this. By mid-afternoon, it'll be partly sunny outside. Still a little sunshine out there. Temperature about 43 degrees. And late this evening, it looks like some light rain is on the way. Temperature about 37 degrees. Outside today in your backyard, here's what it looks like. 41 up in the Wayne County area, a little cooler up there. 43 generally across much of the area. And down in the Lehigh Valley, could make it up to 48 degrees for a high today. Again, sunshine this afternoon, and then clouds by this evening. So the extended forecast looks like this. During the day today, a partly sunny day, maybe a sprinkle of rain this evening. Temperature about 43 degrees for a high today. Then tomorrow, a little bit of very light rain in the morning, followed by a couple of snow flurries in the afternoon. Temperature 42, maybe a dusting. That'll be about it. Then for Friday, a couple of more flurries on the way, a few snow showers, temperature 37. Saturday, a few more flurries, temperature 33 degrees. And Sunday, a cloudy day, temperature 33 degrees. So no more sunshine on the way for the next several days. Get your fill of it today. Kim and Tom.
Cold for the weekend, too.
Yeah. Ouch. Okay, thanks, Mark.
Ben's selling school secrets, then Theo's thrilled about his accident. Monday at 4.
We're into the second day of spring, but it still feels like winter. And I think yesterday Tom mentioned something about snow in the forecast. Is it still there, Mark?
It's still there. I'm sorry to say it's coming our way, possibly Sunday. But Tom also mentioned yesterday his weather school question, and that dealt with the seasons and what caused the seasons. And one of the possibilities was the fact that the Earth was further from the sun in the wintertime, but that's not the exact cause of the seasons. But the question tonight is, during which season is the Earth farthest from the sun? Is it summer, winter, or spring? We'll have the answer to that in just a few minutes. But first, my weather watcher, Sue Jacobs from Hughesville in Lycoming County, says it's 36 degrees out there, a few clouds around, and she says the wind blows every so often, which is kind of nice. Well, here in the backyard, the wind does blow out every so often. The temperature is down to about 29 degrees. Relative humidity 40%. The wind is out of the north at 10, and the barometer is holding steady. The high temperature today was only 31, not quite freezing. Low down to about 20. The record high 78, set back in 1921. And 1 year ago today, it was cloudy and 50 degrees. So, during which season is the Earth farthest from the sun? The answer is actually summer. If we take a look at the Earth's orbit, it is a slight ellipse. This is certainly exaggerated from what it really is, but during the summer, the Earth is 1.6 million miles further away from the sun than it is normally during the year. So that, however, is not very much of a difference, astronomically speaking, so it doesn't have that much of effect on our weather. However, our weather coming up, now the good stuff. Here's the satellite picture, and well, there it is, coming our way. Right now in Chicago and up in here in Wisconsin, there is snow falling, and that snow is going to be heading our way come to tomorrow. Here's what I think is going to happen tomorrow and into tomorrow night. 4 inches across much of the state, 3 up to the north in Towanda and Jersey Shore, possibly 5 to 6 inches down to the south and eastern parts of the state. Mount Pocono, 6 inches. Could see a little bit more than that, but this is a pretty good guess for right now. So let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast map. You see the band of heaviest snow will stretch from about central Pennsylvania on into the southern parts of New England. That's where the heaviest snow will be. Much of the other area will just see flurries, and there'll be a little bit of rain down to our south. Temperatures tomorrow morning about 21 degrees, warming only up to 31 by 4 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow looks like this at about 6:04 and sundown at 6:17. Here's the forecast then in detail. Tonight we'll have increasing cloudiness, a low about 18 degrees. Tomorrow, snow in the forecast, 32 degrees tomorrow. And that snow, we'll see about 3 to 6 inches from that storm tomorrow and tomorrow night before it all ends. On Monday, we'll still have some flurries in the morning, then cloudy the rest of the day, high of about 35. On Tuesday, mostly sunny, high 39. And on Wednesday, warming up a little bit, mostly sunny, high 45 degrees. So Susan, it looks like we're going to see a little peak of spring before another Arctic air mass moves in later next week.
Okay, but some snow tomorrow maybe, right?
Snow tomorrow.
And it's typical to even get snow into April sometimes, right?
Yes, it is, actually.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Mark.
Sure.